everybody, welcome. Second video today. Now, I've got to be quiet on this one. I don't want Anne knowing what it is because I want to get her to taste it without knowing what it is. She's upstairs, so I've got to be shh. It's a no beef Wellington, vegan, no meat in it. So, will she taste the difference? Let's open it up and have a look. Right then, it's specially selected vegan, crisp and golden, no beef Wellington with roasted mushrooms, Dulux handwrap in a vegan pastry. Get my glasses on so I can read all these bits. I've got the wrong glasses on, can't read that. I've got the wrong glasses on. Have yourselves a look. Got my other glasses on by mistake. Have yourself a look at that. Where's the nutrition? I can't, so I'm gonna have to get my glasses, hold on. Right, got my glasses. So let's have a look. 281 calories, a quarter of a Wellington. That's what it is. And Christmas thing in it, look, there you go. And there's all the nutrition, you want to have a look at all that. Pause it and do what you do. Okay, and it says, place on a line baking tray in the centre of the oven, preheated for 1 hour 5 to 1 hour 15. Leave to rest for 1 minute before carving. Handle with care due to hot filling. Okay, let's open it up and have a look. Well, not a lot to it, is there? It's new, quite expensive. It was £4.99p. It was well expensive, to be honest, and that's all you get. Okay, let's open that up. Handle with care. It's quite thick, but I wonder if on that I'll be able to taste the difference. Taste it's not meat. I wonder. So I'm not doing a vegan meal. I've also got myself some peppercorn sauce. I saw this up there with Aldi as well. This was £1.75, I think it was. Quite expensive as well. But I thought I've never tried that from Aldi, so I thought I'd try it. I don't know, that must be a Christmas thing as well, I suppose. Pour some oil over it. I just got myself some herb potatoes. So what I'll do, I'll get that in the oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes or whatever it says. Right, so I lined the baking tray. I'm going to get that on, stem side down. I'm going to stick that in. And what I'll do, I'll have a look at this when I open it and put it in a saucepan. I think it goes in a saucepan anyway. Mind, you can have a look at it now, I suppose, can't we? Dine with Atkins and Potts peppercorn sauce. Perfect for the finishing touches. It's not vegan or vegetarian or anything like that. Says here, look. Peppercorn sauce, delicious rich sauce for grilled barbecues or roast beef. Well, that's supposed to be beef, isn't it? But not a beef. So, I have already read. Boil the meat, heat in a saucepan for 4 minutes, or microwave. So I'll go in the saucepan for 3 or 4 minutes. There's the ingredients, you'll have ourselves a look at that as well. And the nutrition. So I'll open that up when it's nearly time. Right, it's done. I'm going to get it out. There it is. I've got some leakage at the back there. So while I'm leaving that to cool down, I'm going to take it off there in a second. While that's cooling down, I've got the potatoes in the microwave and we're going to do the peppercorn sauce. I'm going to get the pan on and we'll open this up and we'll have a look. Smells quite nice. There it is, we'll get it in the pot. And I'll let that do its thing for a couple of minutes. I've got to stir it and that. Peppercorn sauce is looking quite nice actually. Just letting it do its thing, taking its time for a few minutes. took the Wellington off. There it is. So we'll show you the leakage at the back. A bit of leakage there, look, underneath. Right, let's give this a cut open then. Peppercorn sauce is nearly done. How much should we do? Back there? Seems crispy. Flaky, I mean. There it is. I'm going to change my board over because I don't want to scratch that board that Craig made me. Peppercorn sauce is done. Let's cut this into a few sections. It's very soft on top there now. That's the mushroom obviously in the top there, isn't it? There we go. Beef Wellington. Okay. Looks a bit sour for itself a little bit, I think. Right, I'm going to dish up now. Right, put them on 2 plates. For me now and that. I'm going to get a few of these potatoes. Nice and simple potatoes. I'm going to get a couple of them on. I ain't done no veg or nothing. Now I'm going to put the peppercorn sauce. I'm going to put it in a bowl. Just in case we don't like it, I don't want to pour it over. So let's get up the table. Right, up the table. Let me show you. There we go. There's our nat. You don't know what it is, do you? Because I haven't told you, have you?
No, it looks like a pie.
It's beef Wellington.
What is it?
Yeah, with mushroom. So give it a try. And peppercorn sauce, look.
Oh, I'm not too sure. I've never tried peppercorn sauce.
Yeah, well, give it a try. That's why I put it in a bowl, so you don't... So we're going to let you go first.
Yeah, let me go first. What sauce from first?
Just try the pie, the man about the potatoes, does it? Try the beef Wellington. Oh yeah, I put it in a bowl in case you don't like it. Got a dog pacing around. Because you're fussy.
Let me try this sauce.
It's pepper. Good.
That's strong.
This is strong. Is it? Is it strong? Is it?
Stuck at the back of my throat.
Well then, try this.
Oh, wait down there. Oh. That's really good.
It's an Aldi Christmas one, so.
Is it?
Quite expensive though. Tell me what you think.
Very nice.
You like that?
But it's very rich.
Very rich. There's that probably the mushroom making it rich.
Yeah, I couldn't have that and that together.
You couldn't have peppercorn sauce and that together,
No,
couldn't you?
much, no.
But what do you think of the beef Wellington? Yeah, it's quite nice.
Very nice. But lots of meat in it.
Yeah.
But like I said, very rich.
Very nice. She likes it. You like the pastry, don't you? What do you say about the pastry?
It's nice and crispy.
Nice and crispy.
I couldn't have a massive slab of it.
No, it's not designed for a massive slab. It's only so small. It's only about that big. They ain't very big at all.
Oh yeah, it's not big. Yeah.
You like the pastry? Think of the meat. You like the meat?
Yeah, it's nice. I do like it.
She likes it.
I do like it.
Peppercorn.
I couldn't eat that with that.
Is it a bit strong?
No, you try it.
I was going to do gravy. I was going to get some gravy, but I thought, well, I ain't tried that, so I thought I was going to try that as well.
You might like that. It might be nice on something different, but I don't think it'd be.
Shall I tell her what it is now?
It's venison.
No.
What is it? Duck?
No. Look at the face. Look how you said nothing.
What is it?
It's vegan.
What is it?
It's vegan. It's vegan.
Not too bad for vegan food.
It's vegan pastry.
Pastry very nice.
And vegan. Well, it's just vegan.
Nice.
Yeah. You're not enjoying it for a vegan. It's trying to trick you.
I like that.
Yeah.
More than I do with the patties and stuff that you have. The patties, the vegan patties that you have.
Yeah.
The burger thing.
Then that was royal, weren't they? Yeah. Vegan. 100% vegan. No beef. No beef. Wellington. There's no beef.
Oh.
Expensive though. $4.99.
But still rich.
It's very rich. I ain't even tried it yet.
You might do alright with that food.
Well, let's have a go.
With that richness.
I got that peppercorn sauce because I hadn't tried it from there before. I could have got just done some gravy, but I thought I'd try that as a taste. Let me try this first then. Get some mushroom on there. There it is.
Oh, excuse me.
Very chewy. You find it chewy?
I did
Like, not so much as more of the texture.
I did the second bite.
It's more the texture, isn't it? It's more, you can tell it's not meat because of the texture, can't you?
Sorry, I've got the hiccups.
But as for the taste, I'm not too keen. It's not vile. Got your cups.
Sorry. No, it's not disgusting.
It's not disgusting.
I do find the mushroom really rich.
The mushroom bit.
Yeah, very richy. Thingy, what do you call it?
I quite like the mushroom bit a little bit. I'm not too keen on the meat though. You can tell it's not real meat. It's more like it's been squashed together as...
If you hadn't have told me that it wasn't meat, I think on the second mouthful, because
You'd
I'm
have
more in the
probably noticed
middle,
it, yeah.
I would have noticed
You
it
probably
more.
noticed.
At the end, you don't really notice when you
Yeah.
first eat, but after the second like mouthful or stuff, you think,
Let's try this peppercorn. You say it's strong, did you? This?
It's,
Oh
you like
God!
that
Yeah.
stuff.
It is, isn't it?
It is strong.
That is strong.
Yeah.
It is strong peppercorn sauce. That is, isn't it? Oh God, yeah. It's got a right kick.
That would be nice on some beef. That would.
Well, yeah, I got it because I thought, well, beef, pretend beef. It might go nice together on it. I'm going to try it.
Try it. It's got a kick, hasn't it?
Oh, it has got a kick.
It's like very. I mean, I've never tried pepper sauce, so is it supposed to be like? I don't know.
Yeah, it's supposed to be strong. Oh, well, that's got a kick, that has. There's peppercorn. Put up some peppercorn on it. It is strong, isn't it, that? It's burning my throat a bit. Lovely. Well, I'm going to try some with some peppercorn on and have a look.
Yes, it's got a very rubbery texture,
like a rub-
hasn't it?
yeah, it's a
very
rubbery-
like tuna ball.
Yeah, I don't think it's like tuna ball. I think it's more...
It's just
I
how
can't-
it is, isn't
yeah,
it?
it's
I
just
think
how
a
it
lot
is.
of vegan foods like that.
Not beef Wellington with peppercorn sauce. It's very overpowering, that peppercorn sauce is.
Very sickly with it. Does it make it sickly or?
No, it doesn't make sense. It's just overpowering. But this isn't beef, is it?
I love the pastry.
Vegan pastry as well. Look, you can see it's quite rubbery. Look,
Yeah.
I'll show you. Look. You can see it's like rubber.
Yeah.
It's like a rubber texture.
I might try a little bit.
I'm not
Just a little.
I'm not keen,
No, it's.
but I'm not keen
horrible.
either. I can see if you don't have meat,
Oh no.
then why you'd probably eat that. But I prefer my meat. I will eat it. It's not disgusting. I don't like the texture at all.
No, I'm not keen on the texture. That's why I've took mine apart.
You just a pastry, ain't you?
Pastry, some of the mushrooms. I've just tried that and that together. Oh no, it doesn't go.
It's too overpowering. It's strong, that peppercorn sauce, isn't it? Well, there you go. Anyway, something else I tried. Let me know if you're a vegan. If you're vegans out there, you might like that. You probably will. I don't not like it. I just don't like the texture.
I think it's very expensive.
But for a £5, yeah. But mind you made a proper beef Wellington. What's the beef now? Beef's about 8-9 quid, isn't it, now, for
True.
beef?
Mushrooms and
You know.
pastry and egg. Yeah.
So, I say, I'm going to go and eat it now. I'm not really going to enjoy it that much, but never mind. I say, I'm the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. Bye-bye. Did you think you didn't like that because after I told you it was vegan, or was it just...
Don't know.
Was it when I told you it was vegan, you was more like, ugh?
No. It was the second bite.
The second bite? Mm. It weren't because I said it was vegan and it put you off?
No. If you want to put that on, because I probably will get that. Oh, she said it was nice, but I'd only had the edge bit then. Oh, it's still recording.
Just getting your honest opinion off the camera. Well, you've got to give an honest opinion, ain't you?
I think it was... see, I only had a corner bit, so really I was tasting a tiny bit of the meat with the... But I think it was the second, because I took quite a lot on my second bite and it was like... It's chewy.
A bit. Okay. Anyway, see you later. Bye-bye.